Hello guys, we are back again with a very stupid controversy which did not make sense again today. Well, what happened was a family was or a group of people were asked to leave the theater because they did not stand up for they did not stand up for the national anthem, and a couple of people got angry, and this was created into a controversy. Mr. Arnab Goswami on his Times Now News are called a group of 8 people with different weird accents actually, and asked them, what should be done? What is this? Out of nowhere, it all went to disrespect. Everybody started telling, you cannot disrespect the national anthem. Okay, first of all, disrespecting the national anthem means disrespecting the country altogether. Okay, here what happened was, it's a matter of personal choice is what I believe. Okay, if a particular family or a group has come for a movie and they see that the national anthem is going on, maybe they are occupied with something else, they didn't realize it, or even if they did, it's a matter of personal choice. You can feel bad about it, you can grieve, you can grieve about it inside, and you can say that these people, this is not the right way. Or maybe you can go up to them and tell them that, listen, what you did is wrong, you should have stood up for the national anthem, it's basic respect. But they started arguing, wanted to throw them out of the theater. Okay, literally they've paid money for that, so it's their choice what they want to do. But here people were not ready to listen, and here we had a lot of stupid arguments. One lady ended up telling the other party spokesperson that if Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi comes, will you stand up or not? You'll stand up, right? You're giving him respect. How can't you give the respect? How can't you, give your country respect? I totally agree. You're supposed to give your country respect, but not by the comparison of your leaders or your elders and all, okay? As a matter of personal choice, you can tell that that person does not respect the nation as your point of view. But you can't tell that you do not have the right to stay here or live in the world if you don't respect. Intolerance and all is what we are talking about. So I have decided what I'm going to do is just to, make myself feel what those people felt. They try to make it communal also, but that's okay. None of my business. What I will do is, I'll go to my apartment where back in India, and I have these flats around me. We live in an apartment which is like we have about 32 flats all around. So I'm gonna put on my home theater, put on the national anthem, increase the volume, and probably stand till the national anthem goes on, and then go around all the houses asking, did you hear what I was playing? And if they say yes, and I was like, what were you doing? And it's like, I was watching TV, I was doing this, I was doing that. Start thrashing them, beat the shit out of them. Start giving them one left, right. You're not respecting the national anthem. What the fuck is wrong with you? You're supposed to respect the national anthem. How could you do that? And probably if there's a Muslim family, I would tell them, if the MIM party comes to your house, if the leader comes to your house, will you not stand up? How could you not respect the national anthem? You heard it, okay? That's more than enough. I'll beat the shit out of them. That's what I should do. Because for me to understand, when you are talking about being very tolerant, first of all, the show is not tolerant, okay? It's very weird that you try to put everything into a controversial mode, call a lot of people, and then make yourself the very wise person, and tell, this is not the way we should do that debate. This is not the way. This is not the way. This will not prove anything, Mr. Arnab Goswami, I hope you understand. And the funny thing again is, all the people here are not arguing whether the national anthem was disrespected or how they felt about it. They started telling how people don't respect the national anthem, and they went off to political parties. That the MIM party members will not respect it. Will you ask the school kids not to sing the national anthem? How is it even related to such a stupid thing? How is it related? How is such a great national anthem related to something like you will ask the children not to sing the national anthem in school? It's very stupid. Okay? So for that reason, I would request you guys to give your opinions on that. Okay? That's all for today. I hope that's all for today. I don't want to see any of that shit anymore. Okay, you guys have a good day. I think a weekend is going to start in Dubai, so I'll have some good time as well. See ya.